how to create Bootstrap progress bar. If you want to also create animated progress bar, then this is the right video for you. After watching this entire video, you will be also able to create animated progress bar.
So first of all, you have to come in the 𝗧𝗂𝗵𝗲𝗂𝗧. After that, you have to click in the getting started, and you have to include Bootstrap, CSS, and JS library. It is a boilerplate code. So I'm copying this one. Thus, you have to click in the copy to clipboard. After that, you have to come in the Sublime text, and I have to do right click, and I'm just clicking in the paste. Okay. So after that, I already saved this file in the 14 animated progress.html. So I'm just saving it by pressing Ctrl+S. So if I right click and if I click in the open in browser, so now you can see it is giving you a nice hello world. Okay, so if I want to create a animated progress bar, just I have to create a div here. Okay, so inside div, so I have to create a class. That class is progress. Okay, then inside this div I have to create another div. Okay, and I am just giving another class that is progress minus bar. Okay, then after I'm just giving the color that is that color should be bg minus success. Okay, so now I'm creating another div. So inside this div I'm writing 20%, and for this div I'm creating a class, and that class should be progress minus value. Okay, so I'm setting it. After that I'm just I have to do right click, and I'm just clicking open in browser. So now you can see it is giving me the 20%, but I think there is few things I have to add a style attribute here. Okay, then I am just giving the width property, and then I am just giving the value 20%. Okay, so if I reload this one, so now we can say a nice type of progress bar is created. Okay, so after that I am just creating another div also. Okay, so for this div I'm giving a class progress, and inside div I'm creating another div, and this div should class, and the class would be progress minus bar and bg minus primary. Okay, and I'm creating another div here. So inside this div, and I'm just giving 50%, and here I'm just creating a class, and then I'm just giving the progress minus value. Okay, so I'm just giving a style attribute also, and I'm just giving width, and I'm just giving 50%, and I'm saving it. After that I'm reloading this one. So now we can say I created two amazing type of progress bar. Okay, so inside this one I can create another div. Okay, and I'm just giving h1 here, and I'm just giving this one each basic course. Okay, like that. Or I'm just giving, so I'm just giving how much? 20%. 20% only. Okay, so after that, so to create the animated progress bar, thus you have to do, I'm creating another div here also, and I'm giving animated progress bar 50%. Okay, so sorry, I did mistake. So I am giving h1 tag here, and I am closing my h1 tag here. Okay, and I am saving it. So let me check what will happen. So now we can see here that is giving me the 20% only. Okay, so I can change it in the S2 also. Okay, S2, and this one also S2. Okay, and this this animated progress bar title should be the S2. Okay, so after that, let me check our animated progress bar. So now it is giving me this type of the things. Okay, so I can use the CSS in my head section. For that one, I have to use a style tag. Okay, student. Okay, friends. So if you want to create the animated progress bar, so after that you have to create a style in your head section. Okay, then after that I am just creating few things here. So first of all, I am just giving a body background color. So for that one, I am just using background minus color. Okay, so if you want to create the background minus color, just you have to come here in the HTML color course.com, and you can choose any of your favorite color. Okay, so for example, I'm just using this one, and I'm copying this hatch code. Then I'm coming here and I'm using hatch, and I'm pasting this color code. Okay, then after that I'm just giving so after that I'm just giving the S2. So after the S2, I'm just giving the color here. And color should be 𝗵𝗱𝗆. Okay, then let me check what will happen in my website. Okay, so now you can see it is giving me this type of the result, right? Okay, so for after that, I am just creating one more thing. So that is the progress minus bar. Okay, so progress minus bar. So for that, I have used dot progress minus bar. Okay, then I have to I am just giving a border here. So that border is 2px my solid @𝗵𝗱𝗆, like that. So let me check what will happen to my. So now you can see it will give me a nice type of the border color, right? And after that, you can give the box shadow also. Okay, but in this time I'm not using the box shadow. And you can give the border minus radius also. So I am just giving their border is 20px only. Then after that, you can give the you can give the margin minus bottom also. I am just giving 20px, and let me check what will happen. Okay, so now you can see it is giving me like that, right? Okay, so I have to remove this one, so it is not acceptable maybe. Okay, so now you can see it give me this type of the result, right? So after that, I have to give the animation name here to create animated progress bar. So I'm just giving the first animation here. Okay, so after that, so I think I should to change this one also, dot progress minus bar to first animation. Okay, because we use the first animation class in our this div, right? So that's why I'm targeting to first animation here, and I'm just giving the animation duration also here, animation minus duration. And after that, I'm just giving here 4 seconds. Okay, and after that, I'm using the keyframes here. Okay, then I am just giving the animation name, that is first animation. Okay, then after that, I am just giving from, and I'm using curly bracket, again using the 2, and I am using curly bracket here. So inside the from, I am just using width property, and I'm just giving 0%. And inside the 2, I'm using a width property, and I'm just giving how much? It is 20%, right? I am just giving 20%. Okay, so let me check what will happen. Okay, so now you can see our first progress bar is animated, right? So for our second animated progress bar, so now we can see we give extra class here, that is second animated progress bar, right? So for that one I have to target, so I am just giving the second animated progress bar, right? Just you have to copy this one and you have to use this one here. Okay, then after that I'm just using a curly bracket, and inside the curly bracket I am using those things here again. Okay, just you have to change is the animation name, that is second animation animated progress bar. Okay, so after that you have to create another keyframe. So I'm copying this one and I am pasting this one here. So this this animated progress bar name should be here. So second animated progress bar is here, and I'm saving it. And after that I'm just changing this one in the 50%. Okay, so it should be 50% because now you can see here our second animated progress bar, the value of the second animated progress bar also 50% is, right? So that's why. Okay, so let me check what will happen to our progress bar. Okay, so now we can say it give me a nice type of animation, right? So I think the S2 also became larger, right? So that's why I have to give this one to S3. Okay, so just you have to type Ctrl+H and you'll get this type of the, so I'm just giving the H2 to H4. Okay, and just you have to click in the replace all. Now you can see all became S4. Let me check what will happen. Okay, so it give me a nice type of the progress bar, right? So in this way you can create. So if I want to change the background color of the body, just I'm changing this one. So I am coming here. Okay, so I think I should to use this one. Okay, I'm copying this code and I'm coming here and I'm pasting this one and I'm saving it and I'm reloading my website. So let me check. So now you can see it gives me a nice type of the progress bar, or it gives me a nice type of the animated progress bar. So in this way you can also create amazing and beautiful type of the animated progress bar. Hoping that you get few ideas. Thank you so much.